Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore the profound theme of choices and the importance of taking responsibility for our actions, with a particular focus on Matt Haig's novel The Midnight Library. This book offers a thought-provoking narrative that helps us reflect on the decisions we make and how they shape our lives. Through the experiences of the protagonist, Nora Seed, Matt Haig invites us to contemplate the nature of regret, possibility, and accountability. The following lecture is divided into 4 sections. In the first section, we will deal with the concept of infinite choices. In the second section, we will scrutinize the illusion of the perfect choice. In the third section, we will focus on the importance of taking responsibility for our choices, and in the fourth section, we will consider the broader implications of responsibility. The lecture will then end with some concluding remarks. Section 1. The concept of infinite choices. In the Midnight Library, Nora Seed finds herself in a magical library between life and death, where each book represents a different version of her life based on the choices she could have made. This concept of infinite choices is both liberating and overwhelming. It underscores the idea that every decision we make branches off into new paths, creating endless possibilities. However, this abundance of choice also brings with it the weight of responsibility. Every time we make a decision, we are not only choosing one path, but also closing off countless others. This can lead to feelings of regret and what-ifs. Yet, Haig reminds us that no matter how many choices we make, we must ultimately live with the consequences of the path we choose. Here is an example from the novel. When Nora first enters the Midnight Library, she is paralyzed by regret and wishes she had made different choices. Whether it is pursuing her swimming career, staying in a relationship, or continuing with her band, she wonders how her life could have turned out. In the library, she has the opportunity to live out these alternative lives, but each one presents its own challenges and imperfections. This demonstrates that no choice leads to a perfect life, and each path requires accepting responsibility for its unique set of consequences. Section 2. The illusion of the perfect choice. One of the key messages of the Midnight Library is that there is no such thing as a perfect life. Nora initially believes that by making different choices, she could find a version of herself that is completely fulfilled and free from regret. However, as she explores these alternative lives, she realizes that every life comes with its own problems, struggles, and disappointments. This realization is crucial because it teaches us that responsibility is not about finding the perfect choice, but about accepting the imperfections in every choice we make. Life is messy and complex, and our decisions will never lead to a flawless existence. What matters is how we deal with the consequences of our choices and how we take ownership of them. Here is an example from the novel. In one version of her life, Nora is a successful Olympic swimmer. From the outside, this life seems perfect. However, she discovers that this version of herself is deeply unhappy, estranged from her family, and struggling with depression. This teaches Nora that success in one area does not guarantee happiness or fulfillment in others. By accepting that no life is perfect, Nora learns to take responsibility for her choices without realizing what could have been. Section 3. Taking responsibility for our choices. The Midnight Library ultimately serves as a metaphor for the journey of self-discovery. Nora's experience in the library helps her realize that taking responsibility for her choices is not about finding the best life, but about finding peace with the life she has. Taking responsibility means acknowledging that we are the authors of our own lives. It means understanding that we cannot control every outcome, but we can control how we respond to those outcomes. It involves accepting our past decisions without being trapped by regret and making the best of the present moment. Here's an example from the novel. At the end of the novel, Nora returns to her original life with a newfound sense of purpose. She no longer dwells on what could have been, but instead focuses on making the most of what is. She takes responsibility for her actions, mends relationships, and begins to find meaning in the life she once wanted to escape. This transformation highlights the power of taking responsibility as a path to personal growth and fulfillment. Section 4. The broader implications of responsibility. The lessons from the Midnight Library extend beyond individual choices and speak to the broad implications of responsibility in our lives. Our decisions not only affect us, but also those around us, our families, friends, and communities. Taking responsibility for our actions means considering the impact of our choices on others and striving to act with integrity and empathy. Here's an example from the novel. In one life, Nora stays in her band and becomes famous. However, she realizes that her success has come at the cost of her relationships with her bandmates and her own mental health. This life teaches her that success is hollow if it is achieved without considering the well-being of others. By taking responsibility for the consequences of her choices, Nora learns the importance of balancing personal ambition with the needs of those she cares about. Conclusion. In conclusion, The Midnight Library is a powerful exploration of the importance of choices and taking responsibility for our actions. Through Nora Seed's journey, Matt Haig reminds us that while we may be tempted to dwell on the what-ifs of life, true fulfillment comes from accepting the choices we have made and taking responsibility for them. By embracing the imperfections of life, understanding the impact of our decisions on others, and finding peace with our past, we can lead more meaningful and authentic lives. So, as you navigate your own paths, remember that every choice you make matters, not because it leads to a perfect life, but because it is part of the life you are creating. Thank you.